Hello children, a warm welcome to our English class and a very good morning to you all. Before going into the today's topic, let us have a quick recap of the answers for yesterday's worksheets. Here you need to complete the sentences using the verbs given, right? First one is already done for us. The second one, sell. You need to use this verb sell in the sentences. First answer is, we want to sell our house, but it is not easy. Bibit, these days selling a house is really difficult. See, the store near my house sells all kinds of sports items. Third one, fly. This summer I'm going to learn how to fly kites. To fly. Which kind of verb, children? Infinitives, right? Bibit. The bird flew past us and settled on a high rock. C. When I jumped off with my parachute, for a moment, I felt I was flying in the sky. Fourth one, find. Finding a pin that has fallen on the floor is really difficult. I cannot find the books you wanted. Someone must have borrowed them. C. We finally found the keys in our dog's kennel. Fifth one, serve. They were serving dinner when we got there. Bibit. They always serve hot, tasty food in this restaurant. C. When I grow up, I want to serve in the army. Here, the word serve is being used in different ways. To serve in the army means to join the army. They were serving dinner means they are giving food when we got there. They always serve hot, tasty food in this restaurant. Means they always provide hot, tasty food in this restaurant. Words in use. Here, you need to match column A with column B, right? You need to match the compound nouns and you need to fill the sentences. The first answer, owls like to hunt in the dark. They usually sleep during the daytime. Second, you are good at maths and you get on well with young people. Perhaps you should become a school teacher. Third, it was a very cold night. All of us huddled around the fireplace to keep ourselves warm. Fourth, I went for a long trek in the hills and got very wet in a big thunderstorm. Fifth, can you pass me the water bottle, please? I'm very thirsty. Sixth, the lampshade, which was made of paper, was very beautiful. So these are the answers for the worksheets, children. If you have written wrong, please correct them in your books. Now let us look into the today's topic. Do you know what is an adjective, children? Which we have learnt earlier. Yes, describing words are called as adjectives, right? What does it describe? It describes the noun. What is a noun? Naming words are called as nouns. What are those naming words? Name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing, name of an animal, right? So here it describes a noun in different ways. For example, the boy is intelligent. How is the boy? He is intelligent. What is the noun in this sentence? Boy, right? So how is the boy? He is intelligent. Next, the word intelligent will become your adjective. The girl looks beautiful. What is the noun? Girl, right? How is she looking? She looks beautiful. So we are describing how she is. So the word beautiful will become your adjective. It describes a noun in different ways. Like it describes a noun about the color, the size, the number, the feeling. It says about the sound. For example, My car is in red color. So, what is the color of the car? What is the noun car, right? Which color is it? Red. So, red is a describing word. The girl is so fat. What is the noun? Girl. How is she? Fat. In this story, they have introduced Jennie as Jennie is a little Scottish girl, right? What is the noun? Jennie and girl, both are nouns. How is she? She is little. How is she, children? She is little. So the word little will become your describing word. So here, any word which describes the noun will become your adjective. Understood? Any word which describes the noun will become your adjective. So not only the color, the size, it tells us the number also. For example, I have 5 chocolates. What is the noun? Chocolates. Chocolate is a thing, right? So chocolates is noun. How many chocolates you have? 5. So the number 5 will become your adjective. It not only tells about the noun like color, size, number, it tells the feeling also. Feeling means the texture. Soft, hard, like fluffy, sharp, bold. In this way, it tells the texture also. It describes the texture. For suppose, this sand is very soft. How is the sand? Very soft. Or else, the dog has fluffy feathers. Sorry. Not the dog. The bird has fluffy feathers. What is the noun in this sentence? Bird, right? Feather is also a noun because it is a thing. How are those feathers? They are fluffy. So the texture we are describing how it is. Fluffy will become your adjective. As I have given you the example of beautiful, ugly, like short, tall and all. How the noun looks and how it sounds, quiet, pretty, loud, soft. So if we describe any sound also, the particular word will become your adjective. For suppose, the class is very silent. So what is the noun in this sentence? Class, because it is a place, right? How is the class? It's very silent. How is the class? It's very silent. So the word silent will become your adjective. So any word which describes the noun is called as an adjective. Now let us see the word conversion. The gum hardened more and more and became amber. So the word hard is a verb. Harden is an adjective because harden means it's very strong. So we are describing how it is. We add en to some adjectives to form verbs. So we add en to some adjectives to convert them into verbs, children. Look here. Read each pair of sentences and rewrite them as shown. Use en with the highlighted adjectives. You can change the forms where necessary. The first one is already done for us. We need some fresh flowers. It will make the room bright. So bright is the describing word. What it will make the room? It will make the room bright, right? So we need to add en to the word to make it into the verb. begin with the word we need. We need to begin the sentence in this way. We need. So, we need some fresh flowers to brighten the room. Brighten had become your verb now, where it is an action. To plus verb means it's non-finite verb, right? Which kind of non-finite verb? Infinitives. Second one, the pudding is not very sweet. We should add more sugar. Begin, we must add more sugar. What is the describing word here? Means what is an adjective? Sweet, right? So we need to add en to make it into a verb. We must start the sentence like this. We must add more sugar to sweeten the pudding. Next, third one. This rope is too long. We must make it short. The adjective short should be added with en to convert it into verb. We must begin like this. We must shorten the rope. So we have added en to convert adjective into a verb, shorten. Fourth one, the river is narrow here. It becomes wide as it flows near the sea. Begin like this, as it nears the sea. As it nears the sea, the river widens. And to convert it into are in a knot. The knots in the wife. Sixth one. Mother made it thick with some flour. So see, thick means it is telling us the texture. The thin sauce was thickened by mother with some flour. Thin is an adjective. We have added en to convert it into a verb. Dictionary work, children. What is the dictionary work, right? You need to identify the meanings of the given words from the dictionary. Do you know how to use the dictionary? You need to check according to the alphabet. Refer to the mini dictionary at the end of the book and copy the meaning of each word in your notebook. Also write down the adjectives formed from these words. So you need to write the meanings for these words, and also you need to write down the adjectives formed from these words. The first one, feather. You all know what is a feather, right? So check in the dictionary and write down the meaning of a feather. Now, what kind of adjective you can form? Feather. It is a noun, right? So, can we say like feathery? Because we are describing that boy has feathery hair, means the boy has hair like feathers. We all know how a feather looks for the bird, right? Second one, wood. Wood is a noun. So, what kind of adjective you can form with this word wood? Here it is given a picture. What is that? Log. Can we say the wooden log? Log is a noun. What kind of log it is? It's the wooden log. So wooden will become your adjective. Third one, poison. It is a thing. So how to form an adjective? For suppose this is a poisonous snake. So how is the snake? Poisonous. So we are describing the nature of the snake, right? So poisonous will become your adjective. Fourth one, care. If you look here down, two adjectives each can be formed from 4 and 5. So from 4 and 5 words we can form two adjectives. Let us see. Let's try. Fourth one, care. So care, verb. So what kind of adjective form? Be careful while reading in the book. So we can say like this, right? Be careful while writing in the book. So how we have to be, we need to be careful. So careful will become your adjective. And at the same time we can say careless also, right? Fifth one, help. For this we can say the same sentence like helpful or helpless. Rita was so helpful in doing the works for me. So Rita is a noun. How is Rita? She was so helpful. And at the same time we can say helpless. I was in a helpless situation. I will become your pronoun, right? So it is describing about the pronoun, how she was in a helpless situation. So helpless will become your adjective. In speech practice, we are going to learn about diphthongs. This means the sound containing two vowels in which a new vowel. So if we combine both the vowels, gives us a different vowel sound, means a new vowel sound. So the combination of both vowels gives us a new vowel sound. Let us listen to the audio.
How, house. A. Listen and repeat these words aloud. The highlighted letters have the same sound. House, mountains, shouted, down, sound, round, how, now, out, be, and repeat these word pairs aloud. The first word in each pair has the sound of ow as in out. The second word has the sound of o as in pot. 1. House, hot. 2. Mouse, moss. 3. Found, fond. 4. Bound, bond. 5. Loud, lot. 6. Shout, shot. See, now listen and repeat these phrases and sentences. 1. A log house. 2. Go down now. 'Out loud. Inside the house. 5. How are you now? 6. Lost and found.
Now, you might have observed the difference when we are combined, it gave us the new sound like how, house, right children? Practice the speech to improve your pronunciation. Next, your lesson number 2 children. Here they have given us few hints about the lesson. You need to use these hints and you need to write a paragraph on how amber is formed. Understood children? You can begin the paragraph with a topic sentence. Like usually in the first line of every paragraph itself, we will get the information of what that paragraph is about. The first line itself tells us what that paragraph is about. So that first line is called as a topic sentence. So we need to start our topic sentence in this way. Amber was formed long before humans appeared on earth. Here they have given the hints like years ago, earth covered with forests, a kind of pine tree, etc. Right? Since you need to write a paragraph on how amber is formed, you need to start your sentence in this way. Amber was formed long before means it says the same meaning of years ago. Humans appeared on earth. Earth covered with forests. The same word. You can write like this. Long ago, the earth was covered with forests. So here I am sending you the paragraph which I have written according to my point of view. It's not necessary that you need to write the same. You can write by your own using these hints. Here is the paragraph. Amber was formed long before humans appeared on earth. Long ago, the earth was covered with forests. Among the trees was a kind of pine from which a shining yellow gum flowed. Pleasant smell attracted by this smell, and perhaps the taste. Many little insects settled on it. As soon as they settled on it, however, they stuck fast and could not escape. Soon the gum covered other tiny things until they were also trapped. As time went by, the gum hardened and became amber, trapping the insects and other things in it forever. So, from this paragraph, we have concluded that how amber is formed. You need to write this in your English HW children. Today's work like word conversion, dictionary work and this writing paragraph, you need to write in your English HW. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.